With my DIY. Welcome! Look at this cute gardening set that I got recently at a Christmas tree shop. Aren't they adorable? They're miniatures for houseplants. And I thought, what a better way to celebrate summer and a gardening season if not with a Garden Tool Wreath. Whether you have regular or miniature size tools or a birdhouse or any other cute gardening accessory, I can show you how to incorporate that in a wreath and make something beautiful for your front or back door, or perhaps a lovely handmade gift for your friend or family member who enjoys gardening. Let's get started and let me show you how this could be done. So all my items for this wreath come from a Dollar Tree, except the houseplant tool set, which is from Christmas Tree Shop for $2.97. However, you can still get the tools at the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. They're just a little bit bigger. You can find many cute accessories at a Dollar Tree. For example, this wind chime birdhouse, a little bird or a butterfly. They have so many cute things in their garden department. Also, you're gonna need some ribbon, especially burlap and something colorful, and a wreath form. This wreath form is 14 inches, comes from a Dollar Tree. And of course, flowers. These are all Dollar Tree flowers. They're very cute, and I recommend checking them out first before going and spending more money. And don't forget the fern or some greenery, because that's very important for the basis of the wreath. First thing we're gonna do is wrap the wreath form with some burlap. This is Dollar Tree burlap. Unfortunately, my puppy got into it, and that's so common in my house these days. Don't mind me, please. It's still gonna be okay. Just a little bit extra work of cutting off the threads here and there. I am sure you will not have this issue, so you can easily wrap your wreath form. At the beginning and at the end, make sure you use some hot glue to secure it nicely to the frame. So if you're gonna be using a Dollar Tree 9-foot burlap roll, you're gonna run out before the end. So right there, when you have the last piece, just secure it right with some hot glue, and just start the new roll right there at the same spot, and continue just going around. So to cover this 14-inch wreath frame, you're gonna need about a roll and a half. And when you reach the end, just add some hot glue in the back, stick it, cut it off, and all done. We have a nice wreath to work with. Next step is the flowers. First, we have to cut them all apart because arranging them separately will make a big difference, believe me. Now let's make a plan, like a design, and let's see what works best. You know, there's so many ways of arranging things. Like if I have that birdhouse, you know, I could do it in the middle and put the flowers up top, or I could put the flowers on the side, on the left side, or on the right side. Since I have the tools as well as the birdhouse, I think the best way is to hang the birdhouse right in the middle and do all the flowers on the side, and on the opposite side, a little bit lower, do the tools. This is just me playing around here, seeing how I like things, but I think this will be the best solution for my arrangement. You know, do the same, guys. Before you glue, before you attach anything, just play around and see how you like things set up. I think this is a nice setup if you have more than one accessory. And when it comes to the flowers, of course, the greenery like the fern goes first. Then, you know, I leave space in the middle for my bow. So I have flowers going up above the bow and below the bow going down. You're gonna see this is just a plan right here, but I'll walk you through it step by step as I'll be gluing these things up. Now let's test the ribbon. I'm thinking the yellow one will look beautiful, complement some yellow accents in my flowers. So guys, that's what you have to pick. Pick a ribbon that goes with your flowers, goes with some accessories that you have. And here is my pre-setup. I think it's gonna look so cute and I'm happy with it. That's the plan now. And now making the bow. You had seen me make it so many times, but for the new subscribers, here it is. I make just a simple bow tie here. This is gonna be 10 inches wide. And then we make another one, also 10 inches wide. All right, so we have two simple bows, and now we're gonna cut the tails. I like to make them two different lengths, one about 12 inches and a second one a little bit longer, 16 inches. That will give us some freedom to twist the bow and bend it and, you know, just play with it. Now we're gonna cut the fishtails. We fold the tail in half and then in half again alongside. We cut at an angle and we have a beautiful fishtail. We do that on both ribbons. All right, so we now put all the pieces together, the two bows and the two fishtails. We pinch them in the middle and tie all together with the floral wire. And then we just fluff it up and play a little bit with those tails. And that's it. We're done. That's all it takes to make a bow, guys. Don't be intimidated. All right, so the bow looks beautiful. We can now start gluing all the flowers. So first the fern. All right, so this is a nice backdrop for our flowers. And now let's tie the bow. Because you know what, I don't want to cover the flowers with the bow. So let's install the bow first. And I like to start off with the biggest flowers first. So I have a few of those Gerber daisies from an old project. And I'm gonna put them in first, around the center of the wreath, which is around the bow. So I add one at the top, one at the bottom, and one in the middle, like in a triangle. And now let's add some of those poppies. I picked the red poppies because I love the red accents on the little birdhouse. There's a red ladybug, which is so adorable. I wish I had more ladybugs to add to this flower wreath, but I think those poppies will make it pop so much, right? So cute. I love this combination of colors. Let me know, guys, what you think. Do you like the combination of red and yellow together with the green? You will notice me taking flowers in and out. That's because on the first try, I don't want to glue it, because just in case if I'm not happy with it, I can easily change it. And once the big flowers are in, we go back with the smaller ones. And I recommend getting something like this that's pointy and put some of it going up and on the other side going down. And then just fill in any holes that you guys might see. And then attach the tools with some floral wire one by one, so it's very secure. And then I decide to wrap the tools with some jute string, just for decoration and maybe, a little bit extra security. Okay, and just for a little bit extra decoration, I made a little bow on top of it. So I just wrap the jute string around my 3 fingers and then cut it and tie it in the middle and create a tiny bow. Oh, that starts to look so cute. Oh no, Coco, how did you get this? Give it back. So cute. And now we just need a cherry on the top. This adorable red bird right there. I think it's perfect. What do you guys think? I cannot get enough of this wreath. I love it so much, guys. I mean, I love gardening and the flowers, birds, ladybug, the yellow, like yellow sun. It's perfect for the summer. It's gonna hang here throughout the whole gardening season until fall. I love it, guys. Please let me know in the comments down below if you love it as much as I do. And maybe there's a gardener in your life that you know will love this too. Go ahead and make it for them. It's going to be a wonderful gift. Alright guys, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because I have many more creative ideas for you in the future. Take care guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.